This is the Wi-Fi account, and we need to know the password. Start, and we need to wait about 1 minute. It is a little longer, but we can pay more attention. Okay, now we can find the UUID, the first several letters A, M, Z, B 744. Okay. After we connect the smart link successful, we can find the ID. You hear the successful, that means we can find the ID now. Okay, so now we can choose the ID, that one, right? AMZ B744. Okay, clean. Now it is working. One more time. Hello, hello. One more time. The network is not good as you see with about 20 demos online at the same time. So sometimes it will like, but it's okay. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Okay. Then it is under smart link, not the network. So we need to connect the network. First, we declare the smart link ID at the device, network devices, local search, the same ID AMZB744. Select admin. Default password is admin and user. Okay, done. So we need to know the functions. This is the setting. Only the admin user can change the settings, like the user setting. This is we can change the password. Okay, then we can offer the two users. Okay, for example, if we rename it as a mother, some, so the user change to be mother and son. Done. Check mother and son. Okay, so we need to test the users. The user 1, user 2. Just like we first we declare it at the device, network device, local search. Yeah, the same ID, and user, remember it is mother. Input the password you made. Now, right, it is working. But you see, no administrator or bad network. It is because this is the user one, not the admin account, so we cannot change the settings, right? But it can work. Bad network. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. So it is the same function, except the user one, user two cannot change the settings. The same as the sum account. So we need to be admit. For example, mother and son is outside, not home. They want it. You can share it. How to share? You need to copy the ID. So this is the correct ID. Copy. Select all. Copy. Then you can send the ID to mother and son via WhatsApp or others. So it is done. So this is the admin. We can, sorry, 可以了。